Yo, welcome back to Auto Race Garage, aka ARG here, and in this episode, we are replacing the sending unit in the '66 Mustang because the fuel gauge it moves, but it'll only go up to like the first notch, no matter how much gas you put in it, and then it'll just go down to E. So I bought a new sending unit, so hopefully that will fix that problem, and let's crack this thing open. So I got this off of CJ Pony Parts. Lately the parts their service is not that good, but they was running the 4th of July sale, so it was like $20 off normally, and thankfully it was actually in stock. Cause the last couple times I've been ordering things off of there, it says it's in stock, and then you order it, and then they send you an email a day later saying out of stock. But this one was there, so. A new retainer ring with the gasket on there. And here we go. So let's get the rear end jacked up, get some jack stands on this thing so we can take this old sending unit out. Alright, so I got this thing up in the air. I drained the gas, which drain plug is there so you can drain the gas. I already drained the gas. Here's our sending unit here. So we're gonna get a screwdriver and tap this so it looses. This is the electrical plug for you. Unplug that. Take these off there, and it should just slide out. Let me get this camera set up here. Alright, pop this off here. Alright, that was a battle, but I got that hose off. Be careful, a little bit of gas will still come out that line. Now we can take this retainer ring off. I believe it goes this way here. Slides that out. There we go. Careful for gas, there'll still be a little bit. Alright. Okay, so I can guys show you the issue with my old one here, and if you can see, this one has a plastic float on it, and when the plastic ones, over time they just get filled up with gas, as you can see there, and that causes it not to rise and lower properly, and hence why the issue with the gas gauge. Like with mine, the gauge would move, but it would go from E only to like the first notch, and that would be it, even with the thing full of gas. So the electrical part worked, but this was causing it not to read correctly, so that's why I replaced it. So we'll go ahead and get this new one installed now. And on the new one, it has a brass float. It's not a plastic little tube like this one here. So so we're all reassembled. Let's throw a little bit of gas in here, and hopefully the needle will go up past than what it usually did. Alright, so our gas gauge did move. I put gas in here. It's so hard to see. Turn the lights on. Alright, that's a little better. Yeah, the gas gauge does work. I actually drove this thing to work. I had it at half a tank, and I drove it to work, and it you know, moved down how it should and everything. So that's it for that. You guys like, comment. Sorry, I got that shit in the way. Y'all can like, comment, subscribe. Check out my Instagram at autorays_YT. And I'll catch y'all next time on the next video.